very wobbly, guys, so I'm going to take it very easy and slowly because I'm not a professional here. So yeah, I'll video so much of it. It's getting there, guys. So I marked this, so I'm going to drill and tap this hole. I'm going to do it off camera. Okay guys, I'm going to drill through here. I've got two pieces there, just going to drill right through. This will hold the flywheel up. I'm going to be drilling the hole through there and also through this particular thing so it can be attached onto this. So okay guys, that's all I'm going to do for today, and this is what it will look like, you see. And there's I put a spacer there so that can hold that right there so it doesn't move. I've got a grip screw on this on the flywheel, as well as grip screw on the other side, and that will hold it all together. And this is a rough design at the moment. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. But as you can see, there's a lot of space there, so I might have to move that particular thing forward. So I'll drill another hole and move it forward and see if it works properly later on. Well, thank you for watching guys. Thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much.